Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add DreamHost email to your Gmail, and this will be a step-by-step guide. So first of all, you want to go ahead to your DreamHost mail and manage email and have created your email here. If you already have, here it is, and you will use this one for your Gmail. Now you want to go to your Gmail, and from here you want to go ahead and click on settings and click see all settings. And from here, you want to click account and import. Here you can see that you can add an email account where check email for other accounts. So you want to go ahead and add an email account here. And from here, you want to now enter that DreamHost email. So I'm just going to enter it here. And now you want to import emails from my other account. Click next. Here, you will need to enter your username for your email account, which you have created on DreamHost. So make sure you know the password. And now the POP server needs to be popdreamhost.com, and the port needs to be to 995. Now you want to leave a copy of retrieved message on the server. Always use SSL. And also label incoming messages from this one. And now you want to add an account. And now once your email has been added, you want to, yes, I want to be able to send a mail as, and click next. Now from here, you want to enter your name. And now click next step. Now you will need to send emails from SMTP server if you want. So SMTP server would be a DreamHost one. So you want to go ahead and enter the server here, SMTP, dreamhost.com, your username and password for your mail, and make the port to 465. And the secured connection, SSL, add an account. And once we've done that, we now need to go ahead to our DreamHost webmail, to our mail, and we will have here a confirmation email from Gmail. And here it is, a Gmail team. You want to open it up and click on this confirmation email and just click confirm. Now, as you can see, the Gmail user may now send emails as this one. So you can go ahead and write an email from your Gmail. So now when you're writing an email, you can choose from, and this is the email we have just created. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.